80% of your weight loss results come from 20% of foods that you eat. These are foods which will give you maximum weight loss and good health. Wouldn't it be great if you could find your superfood? First is green family, like spirulina, wheatgrass, barley grass, moringa. Do you know that wheatgrass is 20 times nutritionally dense than any other vegetable? It's a complete food with 98 of the 102 Earth's elements. Spirulina is an algae and is arguably the world's most powerful food. Barley grass has 4 times the calcium of milk. Moringa has 7 times the vitamin C of oranges. But it's unfortunate that most of us do not know about such products and never consume them. Are you taking any one of them? Second class of superfoods I would recommend is high fibrous foods like chia seeds, basil seeds, whole grains, etc. Chia seeds can absorb 27 times their weight in water and make you eat less. Not only that, it is the best known plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. It's an amazing food that you must include today in your diet. High fiber is your secret weight loss weapon. Eating healthy, high fiber foods make you feel full so that you can resist eating more food than you need. Most women should get at least 25 to 30 grams and most men 38 grams per day to gain all the health benefits of fiber. The problem is that most of us get only about half of the recommended quantity. Do you know how much fiber are you consuming daily? Third set of superfoods I would recommend today are seeds. We usually eat watermelon, muskmelon, and throw away the seeds. You will be surprised to know that seeds have immense benefits and they are full of nutrients. It might not be practical to always eat them along with the fruit as they are hard. A better way to eat them is to grind them or roast them and mix it with some food or drink item. The seeds contain one of the biggest nutrient payloads on the planet. Not all foods are equal. We would recommend the following ones: flax seeds, watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame seeds. Fourth set of products I would recommend are high protein food items. Protein is big time lacking in Indian diet. Do you know what percentage of Indians are deficient in protein? Massive, 80%. And to my mind, this is probably the biggest reason why Indians are not healthy. Which are the best sources of protein? Eggs, chicken, fish, sprouts, legumes, pulses, etc. Quinoa is one of my favorite superfoods which is high in protein. I also love protein supplements like whey protein, pea protein, as these are the easiest way to add protein to your diet. We at Truweight love superfoods. We make over 50 products using the best superfoods from all over the world. We make tasty Indian products out of these superfoods.